In this video, I'm going to show you how to sew this. Isn't this adorable? It's a carrot treat bag, just in time for Easter. Every single Wednesday, I upload videos to this channel on how to use your sewing machine or simple sewing tips and tricks. We have 4 pieces of green fabric measuring in at. Then we have 2 pieces of orange fabric that kind of look like the shapes of carrots. And the easiest way to get these dimensions is to fold 2 pieces of orange fabric right sides together, like so. Then as long as your top of your orange fabric matches the bottom of your green fabric, you're perfect. And what I basically did, I just got my orange fabric and just free-handed the shape of my carrot. Now what I want you to do is at the bottom of all of your green pieces of fabric, we are going to create a hem, so we're locking in all of them raw edges. I have placed in some corresponding green thread and I am just going to top stitch that down. The one thing that I want you to bear in mind here is whatever colour you're using in the top thread, please use it in the bobbin thread also, just so the 2 colours are matching. You're going to also have to do it for the side sections of your pouch in order to make it look neat and tidy. The next stage totally depends on the thickness of your ribbon, and I'll show you how I did mine. So I took my ribbon and I placed it next to this green section of fabric, and I'll just cut this and let you know what the measurement is because I'm literally just eyeballing. So it's about 17 inches. All I've done here is marked a line where I want my casing to be, where my ribbon is. I may have done this a little bit too wide, but I'm just going to do it a lot more forgiving. Place my fabric here, one on top of the other, and I'm just going to mark this other one here, and you'll see why in a second. And I'll just move this over. I'm just going to mark it here and here. All I've done now is place my fabrics right sides together, and I am going to join these pieces all the way along here. I'm going to stop here, and then I'm going to start again here and go all the way round. I'm going to stop here and then start again here and go all the way round. You're going to notice that this part right here is really thick, but please bear with it because I think it adds some real dimension to the top of our carrot bags. Now I'm just going to do exactly the same thing on that second piece. All you need to do is get them 2 sections and turn them right sides together, like so, and then give them a good press, and I'll meet you back here. For this next stage, please use whatever markers that you would like to use. Obviously you don't want anything permanent because it's going to be living there forever. So I have just done some 2 markings for where my casing opening is, and I'm just going to sew all the way along both the layers in order to put my ribbon through. I did have to resize my carrot to the top end of my new green section. Apologies for that. And what we're going to do is we are going to place right sides to right sides, and we are going to top stitch these two sections down. And once again, we're going to do exactly the same thing with our second section. We are now going to place the carrot sections right sides together, and then we're going to sew these two top sections here, and then we're going to miss this bit because we don't want to sew the casing down, and then we're going to go all the way around, all the way up, stop, and then up on this bit here. Just remember, you don't want to sew that top bit closed because you need to pull it all the way through because it's a bag. It's a little treat bag. And then once you have it all pushed through, don't forget to iron. All that's left to do is thread the ribbon through the openings, and then we have one carrot Easter bag. I really hope that you've enjoyed making this carrot treat bag just in time for Easter. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below because I love reading them. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss seeing me next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.